Okay, welcome back to principles and properties of magnetism. Okay. Now this is part 2, principles and properties of magnetism. Okay, I want to do it in bite-sized chunks. Now, permeability of free space is mu O. A quantity when multiplied by the magnetizing force equals the flux density. Remember that H is the magnetizing force. Therefore, B equals mu O times H. Okay. The value of mu O is almost the same whether or not we are considering a conductor placed in a vacuum, air, or a non-magnetic material like wood, for instance. Okay. Now mu O is equal to 4 pi times 10 to the minus 7 henries per meter. Okay. Relative permeability mu R, relative permeability mu R, that is mu R. By experiment, it can be shown that the magnetic flux inside a coil increases when a magnetic material is inserted. The ratio B to H is created. Increased by the ratio B to H is increased by a factor of mu R. So okay, I was thinking something else there then, but forgot to finish. B equals mu O, mu R, H. For any magnetic material, the quantity mu O, mu R is termed absolute permeability. Okay. And again, this is part 2 of Principles and Properties of Magnetism by Terence Payne. Okay. Okay. Sorry, I'm just looking at something here that's taking my interest. So now here, these are questions, examples you need to write out in order to gain the concept as to what we're trying to say and how mu O and mu R is applied in each case. Okay. And that is down to you to do. I'll give you an examples here as to how it's been done here in each case. Okay. And here you can see that mu O is being utilized. Look at where this 400 comes from. Make sure you understand where it has arrived, do the calculations, do the writing out. Do your divisions yourself on your calculator if you can't do it in your head. Utilize the information. Make your learning style applicable to yourself. Okay. The magnetomotive force is 200 amperes. The magnetizing force is 400 amperes per meter. The flux density is 502.7 microteslas, and the total flux is 1.5081 microwebers. Okay. Let me just see if I can make this a little bit larger so that there's no doubt about it being seen when I come to review it. Okay. Okay. Okay, good, good, good. Now, this is hypothetical, of course. If the wooden ring is now replaced by a metal ring of relative permeability 2000, determine the new value of the flux density. Mu r I can't get a pen here, can I? I'm gonna have to get my tools on here. It's okay, I haven't put up some of my tools because I haven't used this much for a while. Okay, alright. Now the new flux density is 1.0054 Tesla. Now make sure you have calculated this and you get the same answer, okay? Sometimes there are errors in the calculations. Make sure it is the correct as it is given. And here are some exercises for you to be doing. Questions. Explain what is meant by the term absolute permeability. And here you have been given some work to do. Get it done. Now, okay, that's for you to be doing yourselves. And this is part 2, okay? Of principles and properties of magnetism. Okay, and that's where we're going to stay. I'm just going to recap, okay, roughly, just to show you that these are linked and connected. Just recapping basically, okay? Thank you. And thank you. I hope you've found this useful. Have a good day. Bye bye.